TED AI Vienna was the first AI-focused TED conference held in Europe. As I listened to people debate issues related to innovation and regulation, I couldn't help but think of a clip that went viral on X where French President Macron finally said the quiet part out loud. Europe has spent the last decade over-regulating and underinvesting, which has put the region on a path of technological irrelevance. But despite these missteps, I believe there is still a path forward for Europe, one that draws on its long-standing industrial strengths. The real opportunity for Europe to lead in AI doesn't lie in trying to outdo Silicon Valley in consumer software or Beijing in massive data projects. Instead, Europe should double down on what has always made it formidable: its ability to deliver efficient and practical engineering solutions for precision-driven industries. Automotive, energy, or healthcare, built on decades of precision and quality, represent the perfect platforms for AI innovation. Sepp Hochreiter, inventor of the LSTM and founder of AI startup NXI, illustrated this point very clearly in a conversation at TED AI with Liquid AI CEO Ramin Hassani. While admitting that Europe lacks the AI infrastructure to turn academic research into products that generate revenue, Mr. Hochreiter showed what's possible today in terms of industrial innovation. His company is achieving speedup of 10,000x for simulations of particles in industrial systems, such as chemical processes in steel making or fluid dynamics for automotive design that would not be possible with traditional computation. More importantly, these simulations can also be scaled up to replicate the entire properties of a real-world system, as opposed to smaller or isolated segments of a whole. Mr. Hochreiter also had an interesting observation. European AI companies should not build mechanical servants that just do what they're told. For example, chatbots or agents of the ChatGPT variety, but specialize in developing machines that are able to extend human intelligence and help us analyze and identify patterns that are limited by our processing abilities, from the physical, computer vision-enabled robots, to the cognitive, generative AI systems with a world model. By the end of the week, it became clear to me that we need a major mindset shift. The EU's regulatory-first approach has clearly now become its Achilles heel, producing a cottage industry of well-meaning people dressed in business wear that have spent the last few years seeking philosophical answers to AI regulation, while the rest of the world has moved at speed to develop and deploy this new technology. The EU AI Act and GDPR, though well-intentioned, have created bureaucratic friction for EU Inc., forcing European companies to divest resources away from innovation and focus too much on compliance, therefore opening the space for North American and Chinese companies that thrive on agility and iteration to dominate the European tech landscape. We urgently need to wake up and start building the future, not just imagine it. Thanks for watching. This is an AI-generated video readout of this week's Computer Speak newsletter. To keep up to date with the latest news in AI and other emerging technologies, subscribe to Computer Speak on Substack.